Hello there, good evening. After a bright day for many areas, we could start to see something a little gloomier start to creep in from the west through the early hours of the morning. Remaining mostly dry across many areas, that's away from Scotland, Northern Ireland. Some outbreaks of rain starting to push in from the west here, leading to quite a wet start across Scotland and Northern Ireland through the early hours of the morning, and still fairly blustery around exposed coast of Scotland. A chance we could see some coastal gales here. Elsewhere, once again, remaining mostly dry, though some fairly thick clouds starting to push into Wales, southwest England. This could produce some light patchy drizzle across any hilly areas. Elsewhere, a mix of cloud and also some clear skies. And if we see any of those clear skies stay prolonged through most of the night, a chance we could also see some mist and fog. But because of all the cloud around, that means temperatures won't drop particularly low. Many towns and cities reaching lows of around 11 to 12 degrees Celsius. Nevertheless, it is set to be a wet start across Scotland, Northern Ireland. This band of rain slowly edging its way southwards, pushing through into the Scottish borders, northwest England, possibly northern parts of Wales as we head through into the afternoon, but turning much brighter behind it, so Scotland, Northern Ireland seeing a better end to the day. Elsewhere across England and Wales, it should remain dry, a mix of cloud and also some brighter spells, but probably more cloud around than what we saw this afternoon. And temperatures aren't going to get quite as high, but highs still reaching around 17 to 18 degrees Celsius, so still warm, pleasant where we do see any sunshine. Then through into the evening, this band of, at this point, quite light rain will drift its way southwards, fairly fizzling out as it moves through into England and Wales, producing some patchy light rain and drizzle. It mostly brings in a fair amount of cloud, so temperatures won't drop quite as cool here, so a fairly mild start. But to the north of this, we can see plenty of clear skies. We can really see that split in temperatures, so a chance we could even see some rural frost across northern parts of England, Northern Ireland, possibly Scotland. There's a fair few blustery showers starting to move into western parts of Scotland by the time we reach Wednesday morning. So that means across many areas of the south, once again quite gloomy, quite a lot of cloud, some light outbreaks of drizzle, still shifting its way southwards, so it should brighten up for many areas through the course of the afternoon. And once again, mostly dry, sunny spells, but still plenty of showers starting to move into Scotland. Quite windy here too, so it could be some quite blustery showers at times by the afternoon. Temperatures around about average, reaching around 16 to 17 degrees Celsius by the afternoon. Then later through the week, we still once again have high pressure dominating the scene, this time pushing in from the west. And that means at times some northwestern areas could catch some breezy weather, possibly even some light outbreaks of rain. But as we head towards the end of the week into the weekend, that high pressure really establishing itself across the UK. So remaining mostly dry, settled still with some sunny spells. But for more information on the week ahead weather, don't forget you can catch Alex Burkill on YouTube.